We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more related unclear words in English. In British English, because the American pronunciation is slightly different, this is normally said as developmental. You do want to stress on the fourth syllable, on the men syllable, developmental. In American English, however, this is usually said as developmental. Developmental in American English versus developmental in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.